Hello everyone, welcome to our new video in the series Power BI from scratch. So this is our fifth episode, and in this series we are going to explain the use of merge function in the Power Query editor. So let's look at the demo. So initially you have to load your dataset into Power Query editor. Here I have two dataset, COVID details and the medical details. COVID details show the case numbers of particular patients, the state and details, date of occurrence, etc. And medical details have the details of the medicines provided and the count, the dose, everything related to this case numbers. So I'm trying to merge these two dataset and to combine it into a single dataset. So for that I'll be using the merge query option. So merge query, what it does is it combines two or more queries by matching values in specified columns, and it is very useful when you have related data in different tables and need to combine them into a single table or any data sources. So let's see how we can do that. So to merge query, you can go under home tab, and under combine you can see the merge queries option. So when you click here, you have two options, merge queries and merge query as new. So merge query as new means it will create a different table. It's like a combination from COVID details and medical details into a new different table. So I'll opt merge query as new option here. So here in this window you are able to choose the tables which you want to relate or combine. So in the first section you should have to choose the first table which you need. Here it is COVID details, and the second one I'm selecting the medical details. So now we have to merge this based on a unique key. So here you can see we have the case number as our unique key. So I'm opting this particular column. So once I opt the columns, what Power BI does is it will automatically check the matches, whether all the columns are getting matched or if there is any difference. Everything will be shown here. And also we have the join kinds. These are like the joins which we have in the SQLs. We have left outer, right outer, inner, everything. So here for this demo purpose I'm just opting the left outer join. And Power BI also have this powerful function of fuzzy matching option. This is mainly when we use, if we have we don't have the exact matching but we have some similar matching between these two columns, then at that point it will automatically check for the similarities of matching between two columns from different tables. So for this demo I'm not using that. We have already mentioned the join kind and all the details. Now if I click OK, it will create a new table, as you can see, the merge one, which will have all the data from COVID and medical details. So if you go here, you can see the medical details. And another powerful option is you can select what are the columns which you required from the medical details. For example, case number, date, state, abbreviation, everything is already there in our COVID details, so I don't require those, so I'm skipping. I'm just choosing the last two options, the dose distribution for the 7 days rolling average. So it will show it in the combined format. If you want, you can rename this or you can keep it as it is. So once we have the merged table, you can click on the close and apply so that it will be available in our in the Power BI for modeling or for the visualization. So now if I open the Power BI, you can see we have our new table, our data set, that is merge, which have the combined details from our COVID details and medical details. So, thank you so much for your time, and I hope this video is helpful. If you have any questions related to this topic, please do contact us and stay tuned for our next upcoming videos. Thanks again. Bye.